It's getting so fucking hot. Pretty fucking hot. I'm sorry, folks. I'm gonna have to take a break to take off the trench coat. Yes, just gonna do some funnies. Pulling this out of here. May as well just still do the funnies tonight. I'm gonna do the funnies tonight. Alright, let's get it. Oh, fuck. So, soul coughing. Soul coughing. Soul coughing. I think this is their debut album or their second album. Yeah, this is the second album of Soul Coughing. Wherever the fuck it is. Yep, right here. With the CD right here. Yes, I still like buying CDs. I like to recommend this amazing album that my roommate recommended to me. This is good. This is good. Good album. Good album. No complaints. The only reason I haven't given it a 10 yet is because I'm not familiar with it that much yet. Sometimes I give a 10 later. Alright? You got it? What else do I gotta say? We got it. We got everything. We got everything together. Travis Ice P98 2019, baby.